What's up? Welcome back. My name is my sign name. Today we're going to be talking about mainstreaming and what is mainstreaming. So mainstreaming extends not only to deaf children or deaf kids or people going to school. Basically, kind of just entails when I'm talking about mainstreaming deaf kids. It means that you're putting them into a school for like everyone, public school, not just a school for the deaf or school that primarily uses American Sign Language if that's a deaf kid's main language. Parents do this to gain socialization, so they're not just socialized with other deaf kids, that they can be able to communicate with hearing kids. It's a really personal decision, but that's kind of what mainstreaming is and entails.